Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about supervised versus unsupervised learning. So this theory is pretty much important. Please don't skip this theory. Please do watch it. It will just avoid a lot of confusion in differentiating different programs in artificial intelligence. The world of artificial intelligence learning is broadly divided into supervised and unsupervised learning. So first, let's discuss about supervised learning. Supervised learning is a process where building a model based on the labeled training data. Common examples of supervised learning include classifying emails as a spam, which we had discussed in previous video, and second, labeling web pages based on their content and many more. For example, let's see how to build the system to automatically predict the income of a company based on various parameters such as employees, experience, location, clients, and so on. To do this, we need to create a database of people with all the necessary details and label it. By doing this, we are telling our algorithm what parameters correspond to what income. Based on this mapping, the algorithm will learn how to calculate the income of a company using the parameters provided to it. This is how it can be done using label data. Now let's see what is unsupervised learning. The name itself suggests we are not relying on any labeled training data here. Since there are no labels available, you need to extract insights based on just the data given to you. For example, let's say that we want to build a system where we have to separate a set of data points into multiple groups. The tricky thing here is that we don't know exactly what criteria of separation should be. Hence, an unsupervised learning algorithm needs to separate the given data set into number of groups in the best way possible. This is how supervised learning splits data into multiple groups. As I'm showing here how it exactly looks like, the left side you can see the labeled training, which is supervised learning. The right side is the one where we have unsupervised data. It's split into some parts. So that's how we can differentiate between supervised and unsupervised learning. Anyhow, I know that you still have no clear idea about unsupervised learning. Anyhow, when you will study programs on unsupervised learning, you'll get idea what is basically unsupervised learning. So no need to worry now about anything what you understand. Just remember it. If you didn't understand anything, then just leave it. It doesn't matter. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.